good, Deco. See, it's flexes now. Let's take the angle grind with us. You coming with me? Come on, come on, come on, good boy. Echo. Good thing about this new sanding block. You coming? Come on. You want to come in? Good boy. Bit hot in here today. So the new sanding block. Bought this set of Dura block sanding blocks. I don't know, it just felt too big, so I thought I might invent a new one. So I went to Bunnings and bought two of these. Just one single 1 meter length of this aluminium bar. 1.5 mil, I think they're 20 by 20 mil, 20 by 25 mil, something like that. T-bar. And then, as you saw in the video, just got some grooves which makes it flex. Similar to the Dura blocks. They're flex too. You buy these strips of sandpaper. I think they're called filing sandpaper. Attach a bit of Velcro, hook and loop Velcro. You can buy them from Bunnings, $5 each, and attach it to the back of them. I'm actually going to cut this one into small pieces, just like that one there, just into a couple of small blocks. And the best thing about it is you can actually sand it so much better than the Dura blocks. You can keep the shape like that. I'll hold it with my mouth, the camera. Maybe I should leave it. You need a camera holder, Echo. You're gonna be like crazy YouTubers one day. All these inventions Dad's doing. So the best thing is, you can get the shape. See that? And look at that. You can't do that with your Dura block. This car got so much different shapes. So down that door there, this door got so much different curves. It's a curve there, so literally held it like that and spin. Did the whole panel. Took about 5 minutes. And this little one, I think this is the best. I love this. That's about 75 mil, about 100 mil. You can get into these little sections and just do it so much better than your Dura blocks. Check out that. Someone needs to invent this thing. And all the painters in the world will love this. And having that T section is just so much easier to hold, and can do it so much easier. And you love sanding. You become to love sanding than hating it. I hated sanding. By the way, this is my first job of doing. I hated it when I was sanding. To put the epoxy primer, I just sanded with a 120 or 240 grit, and I used just a block, and far out, I tell you, most hateful thing I ever done. And I'm loving it now. Look, just that little tiny detail you can get into, you get to love sanding. You always sand it 45 like that. You go like that, you go like that. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, then 2, 1. That's what I've learned on YouTube. And once that's done, you just get one of these ones. So I'm doing a 320 now to put, I'm just going to put a primer surfacer. So epoxy primer, 320, primer surfacer, and your base coat and clear coat. You just get, shouldn't I? So there's the one I was telling you about. I think it wasn't on the video before. So you just go get into these tiny areas where the big one can't go. So with the Dura box you can't do that. And look how thick that is. Doing that you can't get in, so there's about 3 or 4 different curves in there. You can't do that. $220 that block, that set was $220. Comes with 3. And this bullshit. This is you love sanding. People are gonna love sanding with this new cheap Bunnings $10 teeth, aluminium teeth. I think having those cuts, it gives you a better grip too. And it flexes too at the same time. Not a lot. That flexes a lot. That one there, as you can see, you can get into almost, I can sand that if I want to. See that? Just thought I'll make a video and put on YouTube for people to love sanding your cars. So get in there, put a tack coat using one of these dry coats which I bought from Melt and Paint. All these came from Melt and Paints in Victoria. No, the paint was bought from Melt and Paints. All the masking tape. What else? The sanding paper, Dura block. I bought one Dura block. There's a different set, but different. Yeah, Melt and Paints in Victoria. So if you want to hit them up, just Facebook Melt and Paints in Victoria if you're in the western suburbs, and you can get one from them, the whole set. There's Tim, there's Greg, there's another guy there, I can't remember his name. They're the best in the industry. They'll help you if you're a first timer who wants to do something like that, a project like this. They'll help you. Yeah, this is the spray booth I made. Got my fan there, put some dust. It's a temporary thing to just, not that I'm worried about the paint getting into there, just gives you a better vacuum, so it vacuums out and any overspray gets just picked up. Do it right, isn't it right, Echo? And got a couple of spray guns. There's a video on my Facebook. These are the 2 DeVilbiss GTi Pro spray guns I bought on eBay. They're like $80–90. The best thing about this, I need to show you the spray body I made. This is the best. Bit of Velcro, same Velcro I got for Bunnings. Wrapped it there. Bunnings got these little lights attached. So that's the hook and a loop. And you got a spray body. I'll show you if it works. Oops. Nearly dropped that. So yeah, so that's the, oh shit. I need to show you something else once I do that. So you can attach this light anywhere you want. Just push it in. Press it, and look at that. You spray it, and you got a nice light. It shows you. What I was going to show you is this GTi Pro spray gun. I bought two of them. The reason I mainly bought it is I was looking at the original GTi and the cheap one from eBay, and the main difference is if you have a look in these two holes, they are tiny. So those two holes provide the air to these two side ones, which creates your fan. So, and they're tiny. So what I did in here is I got a little die grinder and I connected the two together, made it bigger. So that's how the original one comes up like. And and it looks better. And there's another little modification I do. Have a look at my Facebook, YouTube, and you can see the two different modification I done. All right, just thought I'll let you know this new system. I'll go outside and cut these aluminum bar and get the little and see. I'm going to cut one there. It's about 120 mil, I think. One and 150 and 200, and that's about 300 mil. Yep. Have fun.